Sending a video using WeTransfer is very easy and it's free. Using your laptop or tablet, open your browser and type WeTransfer.com. Select the appropriate website. And when open, you need to accept the terms and conditions. The next stage is to insert the email address of the person who is to receive your video. Now type your email address. This is so that you can receive an automatic acknowledgement when your video has been downloaded. Click Add your files, then locate and select your video. Highlight it and click Open, and your video and the amount of memory you are taking up is shown. Now go to the message section and type the name of your video plus any other information you wish. Now click Transfer. If you're using the free service, you will be asked to verify your email address. To do this, go to your emails, where there will be an email from WeTransfer with a 6-digit number. Go back to your browser and type that number in the box, then click Verify. And off it goes. The time it will take to send is dependent on the size of the file and the speed of your broadband connection. The progress is shown in the box. When WeTransfer confirms that the download email has been sent, you have finished. And that's it. I hope this has been useful, and I thank you for watching.